All right, boys, welcome to another video. So yes, today is the video where I show you guys how to install this Surron or Eride Pro seat, and we're finally gonna install this belt cover, which goes where the belt is. So originally this is meant for a Surron, and there's not enough clearance because it hits the bolt right here, which is that bolt right there. So to make this work, what we did was, let me show you. So when you put this in there, this middle piece hits this bolt because there's not enough space on the inside between this guard and that bolt. So what we did was we went to the hardware store, of course. We got these spacers which will go between where you mount this cover and this. So basically it'll go spacer, this, and then these extra long M6 bolts that we bought specifically to make this work. So let me play with this for a little bit, pause, and after that hopefully it'll work. And just like that, guys, we made it work. So that's how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks super good. Keep in mind, this was from Temu for $10. Yes, I had to spend a few dollars to make it work, like the extra long M6 bolts and the spacers, but look how it looks. It looks good. You don't have to pay a lot, and yeah, at the end of the day you can make anything work. So now that is how the bike looks. I forgot to update you guys that if you remember, I used to have like the bag that goes right here that everybody has. It's like a bag like that big, but now we just got this bar bag sent out from Thrill Seekers, which is super sick. I like this style a lot more. Let me know what you guys think. In the next video, I think I'm gonna order a carbon fiber Surron battery lid, which is this whole part right here. I had a carbon fiber when I had the Surron, and from the looks of it, I feel like if I buy the Surron one, it might just fit on the Eride Pro with a little bit of messing with, like a little bit of like making it work on my end. But let me know if any of you guys know if the Surron battery lid fits on Eride Pros. That way I don't waste my money before buying it. And then another mod to keep you guys updated is this back tire fender. If you guys notice, I do have it in carbon fiber now, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, no gatekeeping here. This is wrapped. If you really look at it closely, you can see that it's wrapped like in the sunlight. But this is the 6D carbon fiber wrap from TinyBot Vinyl, my sponsor. It honestly looks super good, and this took me, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes to wrap. It wasn't that hard. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, how the build is coming along. We're gonna be upgrading to some dirt tires soon. The ones that they're not Dunlops. I think I might get a Dunlop in the front, but in the back, I want to get this fatty tire that the SR comes with, and only Eride Pro sells it in that size. So that's gonna be next, is the tires. And I know I told you guys we were getting a seat sent out from Thrill Seekers, the same brand that sent me the bag. We're still waiting on that. So in the meantime, I guess I'll just show you how I put my seat cover on from Temu. So this might hurt some of you, but we're just gonna reach under here, get that, and just like that, we went from a seat cover to the stock Eride Pro seat cover right here. Now let me show you guys how I did that. So if you look at the seat cover, yes, this is the seat cover that I'm holding that was just on the Eride Pro. It has like this elastic band on the bottom, and that basically allows you just to basically wrap it around the seat as best as you can. You tuck it from both ends. Right here is a little bit tricky, but if you just pull up on the seat with the other hand while you tuck in the elastic part, then it fits pretty good. So we're just gonna put this back on, and yeah, if you guys are interested, these are on Temu. They have a whole bunch of different colors. They have like purple, blue. We're gonna put this back on, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So if you can kind of see, I put it on from the front and the back, but the side elastic parts, you just want to stretch it kind of like so. Obviously it's easier with using two hands, but you want to stretch it and pull it down like that and tuck in the part right here. So let me do that real quick. Alrighty boys, and just like that, we have the seat cover back on. So like I said, if you're having trouble with like this part that's under the battery lid, what I did to help was I popped the battery lid so it's open. You get a lot more space, and then you can use like a clothes hanger to kind of pull up on the seat, and while you're pulling up, you tuck in the elastic part. But this is how it looks. I honestly think that for it being from Temu, it's not too bad. You can tuck this in a little bit more. You just have to put some effort into it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. We're still waiting on the seat cover from Thrill Seeker, so as soon as that comes in, we'll do that. In the meantime, this is how she sits. Not too bad. If you guys were thinking about getting those items from Temu, it works, but it's just not like OEM. It's not like a perfect fit. You kind of have to make it work. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.